Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very important concept inside Tkinter, how to take the user input and display the images right in the window itself. So we have the simple Python Tkinter desktop application where we will allow the user to simply select any sort of image from their computer. We have this button right here, open image. As soon as you click this button, this file picker window will open. Here you can actually select any image file that you want to select. As soon as you select the image file, the image will be displayed right in the screen itself. So I will show you how to do this inside Tkinter framework inside Python. It's a very important task because you want to accept user input. So whenever users select any file, it will display right in the window itself. So it's an image previewer, image loader kind of an application. I will show you all the source code is given in the description of the video. So first of all, you need to import the Tkinter package by simply writing from Tkinter import everything, import star, and then we'll be using this pillow library. Inside this library we have two methods, image tk and the image class. So just install this library by executing this command pip install pillow. So this is, just go to the terminal and install this command, install this library. After that you'd simply say from Tkinter we need to import the FileDialog class, and then we simply define the window like this root tk, and then we set the properties about the window, which is the title, and then we set the x coordinate and the y width and the height, which is 500 by 500, and then we set root resizable. We can set the width to be true. We can resize the window. If you don't want to allow the user to resize it, you can put false here, and then we can simply add a button inside the window which lets the user opens the image picker window, and we can define this on click listener. So whenever you hit this button, we are attaching this command here, which is a function, custom function, which will execute open image, and then we'll be adding it in a grid like structure. And then we start this application. So now we just need to define this function open image. So as soon as you hit this button, so here we just need to open the file picker window inside this function. So we simply again define another function here, which will be open file name. So this will actually open this file picker window by using this FileDialog class. It contains this function which is ask open file name, and we just give it a title to this window, which will be so here you will be getting the file name, and then we returning this file name from this function. So once we get the file name, then we can display this image by the image class of pillow. We open this image, then we resize this image to a fixed size. So essentially we are resizing the image so that we can display properly inside the window. Then we use this image tk class. It contains this photo image, and we embed this image inside this image widget, and then we display this inside the panel. You add this in the grid-like structure. So this completes the application. So if I execute this now, click this, select any image. So in this way, you can actually build this very simple application where we allow the user to simply select any image from their local file system and display this right in the window itself. So thank you very much for watching this video. All the source code is given in the description of the video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.